Pull up. Alright. Let's see where we go here. So, 2 SMT, not for me. Bullish SMT. Currently. Currently, I'm expecting that to get taken. Let's see what happens. It's a 2-stage event. Not expecting anything too... Not expecting to take anything yet, is what I should say. Not really expecting to trade, is what I should really say. So, you know, we need one of these SMTs to get fixed. And then we'll go from there. Got a bearish, got a bullish. You typically don't trade PM session either. So, let's see. FOMC here in 5 minutes. Not really. Need some good music, man. See if that works. So I bought some SPY puts, and my puts are going up even though price isn't moving on SPY. Oh, okay, that's why it's printing a little bit. Printing a little bit. Here's the bullish SMT. And the 50 to 10. All right, we got 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes until FOMC. So, still 2 SMTs, not for me. 2-stage delivery. These. Is that you, Danny? Is that you? These nuts. Alright, my one and only viewer. Let's go. Yep, so, you know, we have our bullish SMT and we have our bearish SMT. And when that happens, it's not for me. That's what I say. Two SMTs, not for me. But either way, it's FOMC, right? We got 2 minutes. So I got my SPY puts and my SPY calls. My calls are worth less than my puts. My puts are worth double. My calls don't expire until the 26th, but my puts expire tomorrow. So if we just get one big push down at open, at FOMC open, I'll probably close out, small little profit, and then hold the calls. But here we go. Here we go. 30 seconds. Let's get it. No blowing up counts. I have no trades on today. The one trade I was going to take was this trade right here, but I decided against it. We had our bearish breaker, high, low, higher, high, and 50 to the 10 macro. The setup would have came at 11:08. I wouldn't have taken it. We came into this 5-minute inverse after sweeping these highs inside of this 15-minute SIBI. So it was actually pretty well. What I'm thinking, there we go, like I said. Oh! Oh! Alright, alright. Okay. Insane in the membrane. So, we're probably reaching for that draw on liquidity up there. My calls went to, my puts went to 0, pretty much. My calls are up. So let's let this play out for a few minutes, because it just dropped. So we let this play out, let this pump up. So SMT's fixed. I do still think we run for that previous day low. Personal opinion. Is this SPY all-time highs? Yep, SPY's at all-time highs now. Still running? Yeah. Let's see. Two-stage event, right? So I think when NQ runs for these highs, we'll get a reversal. Also a new week opening gap. That's my opinion. And then I'm probably gonna close out my my calls there. Yeah, my puts are pretty much gone, but my calls are up. But it's a good two-stage event. Let's see what happens. There's really like no predicting that, you know? Look at this 1 minute candle. 236 points. S&T fixed over here too. So I don't think I'm gonna get rid of my calls until we take this high. And then my puts possibly will start printing. We do have nice lows here. It's in the 4 hour. 1 hour we have relative equal lows with this low. Just ran for this low, this high. Right, so all we have are these highs left up here. And then we could possibly see something to the opposite side. ES is the new week opening gap. Okay, so ES is in that new week opening gap right now. I don't think it's this two-stage yet. I think it's going to take 30 minutes for that second stage to kick in. I do believe that we're going to run for this drawn liquidity right here. What are we only left it by 27 points. I don't see a reason for us to leave that today. And we have another new week opening gap right above it. Cluster of new week opening gaps makes me feel like we're going to go there. Yeah. SPY made all-time highs. Broke these highs today. Maybe a little bit more room. And See, that's the only things we do have this SMT that we had since earlier. These same highs that I'm looking for SPY to reach. I mean for NQ to reach. ES took these yesterday, so that's my only concern. Okay, maybe all of my options are just gonna expire worthless. I think we have a little bit of time. That's a lot of new day opening gaps right in this area. It's probably making it difficult for ES to get out of it. But let's see. We got time. No rush. Nice thing with options is I could only lose a certain amount. We'll wait for the second stage event. I would like to see another push up and run these highs. The funny thing is this first few minutes of FOMC, Powell's probably not even speaking yet. Just lollygagging. Go get the ground beef. He speaks at 2:30. Okay. Okay, so we only got... okay. Right. So that should be the reversal. Puts starting to come back. Let's wait and see. Still think this high needs to get taken. Okay, or not. Low, high, lower, low. Close above here, create a breaker. 50 to 100. Not a breaker yet, but if we're gonna continue, I could see that inverse this 1 minute right here. Could be an entry, but we'd have to be pretty. Okay, so we don't even get a chance to inverse that. 5 minute Bissy. If I see ES and NQ inverse both of those, there might potentially be something there.
How often does FOMC happen? Once a month. Let's see how if we hold this new opening gap, what we do at it.
Okay. Reversal happened already? That's kind of crazy.
Why is my attendance late trading? Zero flame, you might have delayed data, so you might have to purchase real-time data on trading. Just sit about and don't know what to do.
At 15 is big. This buy ran for that. Wow, look at that sell off. Did inverse this whole thing. So it's a two-stage event, but what stage is real? My puts are coming back into profit almost, but not yet. This is wonky stuff, man. 5 minutes still hasn't closed. I did get out of my calls on SPY. Just gonna let the puts run. Previous day low is probably the target. That's what I was initially saying. we left the lows right here. It's just too clean. And like I said, all of these new day opening gaps are clustering. It's making it difficult for price to get out of there. 5 still hasn't closed there. Jeez, maybe I shouldn't have got out those calls. Some guy, what's up, what's up? I've not taken any trades yet today. Checking that new day opening gap right there. What is your prediction on what FOMC is going to continue to do? You call longs? Longs? I'm saying you took longs or you took shorts at the previous day high? $12.45. So you took, okay, so that's what I'm saying. You took longs. But you sat through this drawdown. Where was your stop? Your stop would have had to been high. Because it ran down first and then it came up. You had to had you stop all the way at the lows, right? 80 points. There's PDH. Previous day high, 80 to 180. Yeah, that's a good risk to reward for sure. Over 2. Yeah, previous day lows. That's what I was thinking. We're still, this is this line right here. That's what I was thinking. We're still going to run for that. But I'm still thinking that we have 2 options. We're going to either run for all of these equal highs or previous day lows. So I want to see which one gets taken first and then probably aim for the other one. You're on ES? Why does it always do this? Okay. Okay, ES inverse that 1 minute. NQ also inverse that 1 minute. Got 2 minutes till my macro opens up. We'll see if we can catch something. I did take a small swing position on shorts, on puts until tomorrow on SPY, but they're down bad now. I was really thinking that we're gonna run for those previous day lows, but we do have a second stage coming up here at 2:30. 2:30, we should go the opposite way of whatever we did right now. But right now we're kind of consolidating this big old range. Let's see it. Let's see the work. Let's see the work. There's an inverse. Yes, also inverse this. $12.45. You took it, huh? Yeah. I'm not looking for anything just yet. We haven't taken any trades today. There was one trade that I wanted to take, but I didn't. It was going to be this short right here. What were we targeting? I think we were just targeting a 2R. We rejected this 5-minute inverse. Came in, created this breaker, high, low, higher, high. Broke through as soon as we closed below it. I wanted to take shorts. But it was outside my time, so I didn't touch anything. I got off. No, I'm not touching anything until after 2:30. 2:30 we have what? Yeah, the statement and the press conference, and that is when they're actually speaking. So I think that's when we'll start seeing more stuff happen. So I'm gonna wait till after 2:30. I think this DOL, drawn liquidity, bearish SMT is gonna get hit, and then we might run for previous day lows. I definitely want to see these previous day lows get taken though, because they're too smooth. And if we do that, we're probably gonna run for these lows also. How far is that? 40 points. Yeah, very, very likely. Yeah, I'm not in a rush to take anything at all today. I took no trades. I stopped trading PM session, so I just want to see if something presents itself that's extremely clear to me, then I'll take it, but otherwise I'm not going to gamble. And I got to get off here pretty soon anyway. I got some stuff to do. Let's see what you got. Tell us what you got. He's back. We blew the account, bro. We took 4 trades. See what you got, some guy. It's ICT with a different account. It's the homie. Was it the VIX? What am I looking at here, good sir? It's delayed. I don't have data for this. It's delayed. I don't have data for this. I wonder if it's on Topstep. No, I don't have it on Topstep either. So I guess I can't see what's going to happen. So 205. Let's look at the 1 minute. 209, 208, it pumped up. What did NQ do? 208 had a sell off. So it just does the opposite. Yeah, but which one moves first? Because if they move at the same time, I don't think it's really going to help too much, is it? Yeah, my levels are just liquidity and fair value gaps. Oh, so we did take this London high. We're just leaving the rest. I guess that's why we got a little push down. Gold made another all-time high. Good. I got a little bit of gold, nothing too crazy, but I got some. We got 5 minutes until this next news release. Don't leave. Please don't leave it. I'm gonna make a coffee. I just had some curry goat, rice and peas, a little bit of salad. I need me a wake me up, and I'll be right back. What is the V? What is that VXM? What does it stand for? What does it do? What is the point of it? Okay, it's the volatility. Okay, gotcha. Oui. Thanks for not leaving, guys. Nasdaq Volatility Index. Let me know how it goes, Danny. Me right now, I'm trying to previous week high. Okay, we're actually at the are we? Oh yeah, we're at the previous week high again. Yes, I didn't even realize that was there. We took that out earlier. Yeah, I'm not trying to add anything into my arsenal. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. I think that was like my whole like beginning of trading. That's what I was doing. Just kept adding stuff and watching every single thing, every single new video ICT, and was trying to implement everything new that he was teaching. All I was doing was just destroying me. We have a bullish breaker right here. Run for those highs. Yeah, 1 minute. Let's see if this closes there. Doesn't close above. Okay, so here's 2:30. It's gonna take them a few minutes to start speaking and doing their thing, and then we see what happens. I think we'll see another run up here. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Kind of want to take these longs. Just real gamble. He's great. He just got to the... Okay, he's already at the podium. The moment he says one word, it's game over. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I don't really think I need... See how it's like kind of failing to close above? We do have this. So I'm not trusting it yet. I mean, I'm not going to take anything yet. Definitely not taking anything yet. I'm just kind of trying to guess where the market will go. All-time highs. Pull the trigger. Danny, pull the trigger, man. All in. Danny, you got a 50k account. Make sure you're not trading more than like 5 micros max. Trust me, do not. Just get consistent with one leverage, one small leverage. Give yourself room for errors. This right here is a signature for me. The fact that it's failing to close above these highs, ES did. This is another SMT for me. I think we're gonna go down. I might be completely wrong. This is all manual intervention right now because of okay, never mind. Just talking out of my booty. Yeah, my puts are down like 80-90% right now. Oh yeah, they're down 67%, 66%, which is alright. I have them till tomorrow. I know that we're gonna get a move down, and then we'll be good. I'm just not expecting such another strong move up because Spy took all-time highs. Spy is at all-time highs. It don't really make sense that we're gonna continue up, right? But anything can happen. See, maybe I was wrong. Like I said, those longs would have been okay. Gotta run for these highs, right? At least to start. Data highs. $20 to $40. $20 to $40. Yeah, there's no structure inside of this. Here's your sharp turn. So it might be a day with no trades for me, which it's been a very long time since I did that. Yo! You're late, man. You're late. We made $300 million already. You missed it. We took longs at this very end of the wick, closed it all the way at the top, then we shorted right after, closed the shorts right at the very wick. I'm just joking with you. Yeah. Woo, there we go. Alright. Like we said, second stage delivery. Here it comes. It's the second stage, baby. My puts are gonna print! I hope. Yeah, I took off this morning. I took off this morning and yesterday morning. I decided not to stream. I didn't take any trades though. I was thinking about this short right here, but I didn't end up taking it. Trips to Chile. Come through, bro. Pull up. Alright, let's see right here what happens. You really have to use very small leverage with these types of moves. We are rejecting that, 25% of it. Let's see how these puts are looking. Alright, my puts are coming back to life. Down 56%. Here we go. Inverse that. Short now. I think if we tap into this fair value gap, I might take a small stab at shorts. Light size, probably 2 contracts, $160 loss. Hasn't tapped it yet. Alright, I got into shorts. I'm gonna aim for data highs, data lows, excuse me. Was it a good idea? I don't know. Let's get the side monitor going right here. And we'll see you right there. So I can't see your guys' chat, but I got shorts. I did want to tap into here, but maybe not the greatest. 3R. 3R looks good, looks pretty decent. Here's what I'll do. Whoops. Let's see if it's gonna work out or not. We do have this breaker right here. We have this Sibi. So let's see. It's a good risk to reward. This will be my only trade probably today. Could have added in there, but I'm not gonna risk more than that. Risky business here, risky business. Want this 15 seconds to get inverse right there. If it does, I want to add in. Okay, I'm not gonna add in. I'll play with what I got. I did want to add in right there, but I'm not gonna take that chance. Yeah, this is sloppy price right now. Yeah, I'm already short NQ. Second immediate rebalance. There we go. I'm gonna aim for data lows, but I might See if we could reach down here. See if we could reach that. I don't know what this is. I got my stop above here. Yeah, I got ES over here on my other chart. It's not really dropping too hard yet. But it's the same thing. We have our bearish breaker right there. We inversed that 1 minute, created this 1 minute SIBI. We got the breaker. Inverse this 1 minute also. Everything's pointing short. Two-stage event. I'll probably take off one at these lows, and then one at those lows. I'm not really enjoying sitting in this. I'm already feeling like it's a bad idea. I get scared out quite easily from these trades. If we're kind of refusing to break down, I don't like that we are refusing to break down. I don't want to see a return up here. I might add in if we close strong under these lows. Nah, it's not strong enough for me. Okay, I should have added. Alright, all good, all good. Let her run. Move my stops to break even, I think, once we take these lows. We are in a 5 minute bit. Yeah. Okay, looks good. I wonder if there is an area for me to be able to take another entry. Okay, breaking down beautifully. Oof. We're catching a little bit of support right here in this 1 minute. 1 minute new day opening gap. Same thing with ES. Oof. Maybe I move my stops to break even. I don't think we should come back here. Let's see how we close. I just don't want it to come back in and stop me out. Alright, it's going to keep running. I need to stop being a low biatch. That's all it is. I just get nervous. I get scared to give back profits is the only thing. Which I shouldn't, right? Okay, so we're pretty much a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Should I remove one? We're working in this BISI right now. I don't like it. I don't like it. Move one. Alright, I'll remove one. I'll listen to you. Let the other one run. At this point, I'm going to move my stop to break even. At least we secured $100. Okay, there we go. I think we're going to break down now. Yeah, the consequent encroachment as a 5 minute is still holding. I don't see a reversal yet. Maybe. Because we didn't take any liquidity. We haven't taken any sell side liquidity for us to reverse, in my opinion. We're just having a little bit of trouble with all the opening gaps, all of these lines. But besides that, I don't really see why we would reverse. Okay, immediate rebalance. Immediate rebalance of the 5 minute. Both of the 5 minutes are immediately rebalanced. We need a strong breakdown here, or we're going to get stopped out of profit. Stopped out of break even, pretty much. Yeah, I might just remove it. Well, let's see. We're retesting that breaker right now on the ES. Retested the breaker. Both of these breakers. I'm gonna just test it and see what happens. You're probably right, but I just want to let it run and see. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Stop that at break even. You're right. All good. Probably going to be done for the day now. I think that's enough. One trade. Up 150. Could have been up 300 if we exited both of them. All good. All good. This is no longer anything else that I do want to trade. It's going to break and go long. You sure? Damn, I'm holding puts. Should I close my puts? See, his breaker's still holding. Don't close my puts? Okay. They expire tomorrow, so I only have them until tomorrow. Are we going long? Look at that. That's all I was saying. We're retesting the breaker. Inverse. I don't know. I think we need to take some liquidity before we reverse. Five-minute is still holding. And there's a 15-minute in there actually too. Which I didn't realize. These are perfect closures. Alright. Alright. I guess if we break these data highs, I'll just get out of the shorts, the puts. For right now, I'm gonna hold it and see what happens. ES is still holding this breaker. We have this 1 minute golden inverse. That I really, really like. We'll see. We have a high, low, higher, high. Breakdown right here. This is the inverses that got. This is this BISI that got inversed with the breaker. Retest. This inverse, this fair value gap. Inside this, working inside this breaker at the moment. Max pain, baby. Max pain. Yeah, so we're probably going to reach for this draw on liquidity like I was saying, huh? Is that what you're thinking? Look, we're still respecting this one. There's a volume imbalance right there, so that actually makes the whole thing. So it's actually still respecting it completely. For the most part. Drawn outside the lines a little bit, but I think we got a little more room to the downside. I don't know. Usually FOMC is like you get a straight move to one side, consolidates, and then reverses. But this is a straight move, straight back down, straight back up, straight back down. So this is very hard to predict at the moment. I don't know. ES is holding the breaker. ES is holding the breaker right now. It's getting some resistance in these new day, new week opening gaps, but it's hard to predict with this type of 5-minute action. And as you can see, the SMT with our fair value gap, this 15-minute got inversed. So we got a fair value gap inverse also. So I don't trust this 15-minute holding us up. Are you ICT secretly just dropping in on people, trying to help them out? If so, let me know. I'll go along right now. I'll go along right this second. Look how we wicked off that previous week high pretty perfectly right there. That's weird. And you put enough lines on the chart, something's going to happen, right? You got time on the job. That's for sure. You want to see why this failed? I just realized. Where did I take my? What time did I take my position? 238 is where I took my position. 238. I've always said with the time macros, if the 20 to the 40 macro is a continuation macro, and if inside that macro the setup forms at 3 minutes before the macro ends, it's very likely to fail. And look what happened, right? It formed 2 minutes before the macro ended, came down, swept this little internal buy side liquidity, caught support and failed. We're at a 50 to 10 macro now, so I don't know if anything's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? Okay, yeah, ES did break that. Yeah, if we break these, if ES breaks its highs, then I'll get out at a loss on my put. These highs right here, I put a little alarm there. I mean, we are up in the day, but not nice, not a lot. 150 bucks, but we did take what, 2 contracts only. So if we took our typical position, 2 contracts is what? $4 a point. 150 divided by 4 is what? I don't know my math. So about 37 points. Had we taken our typical size, that would have been $370. I mean, it is what it is. Oh, look at that. That got to 89 points. That would have been fat. That would have been a 2R right there, huh? If we just targeted a straight up 2R, that would have been good. I wanted this one to inverse right here. I was looking to take shorts as soon as we inverse this little 1 minute, but the way it closed wasn't a good inverse. Yeah, it's not looking like it really wants to. Maybe I'm being too short biased at the moment. What did ES do? ES bounced off of this 1 minute BISI. It did invert. No, not really. One minute busy in here. Caught a little support. Go long. Yeah, I mean I could see longs, but at the same time, I don't see anything with this price action. We're inside of this range from the data highs and data lows. Now we're inside of this range after sweeping this buy side. I would have wanted to see this sell side get swept. I think we might come down, sweep this sell side, leave the data lows and come back up. Possibly. Whoa. Atlanta. I really wouldn't want to see that though. What's going on? Is it yes? It's supposed to be on 3. Okay, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Yeah. Look at the 15 minutes. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise, I tell ya. Aru, did you take anything today? I'll just update you guys. Since I told you I was going to be showing the P&Ls and everything. So I got these accounts, last week. I'm up $1,981. Today we're only up $150. Yesterday I didn't stream, but I did catch 2 nice trades yesterday. Yesterday was what, 17th? I don't know. I don't know where they are. I'll show you here. So yesterday I caught two nice trades, 960 profit. The first one was NQ shorts. We took NQ shorts, 920, 940 macro as soon as we got this reversal. I did over leverage a little bit. I added in and then I closed out. So let me actually show you. So I was targeting these overall lows, I believe, but I did want to see these lows get taken, and I was going to take off a partial right here at these lows. I didn't like the way that it was moving. Even though this is my perfect, beautiful setup, I didn't like the way it was moving, so I got out, and I was like, all right, I'll just wait for the next trade. Oh, here's our shorts. No setup, though. No setup. Frick. Okay, no setup. Damn. No setup. See, that breaker held. Told you, this breaker is holding. I don't have a setup in here. I would love to take shorts, but I don't have a setup. I'm telling you, we gotta go. Everything right now would be chasing. Genuinely, look at these 5-minute candles. We're in this big range. 4 trades, 3 losers, 1 winner. Kind of forced a few of them. Yeah, you gotta. Oof, I told you, man, these shorts would print. I should have just held this, huh? Because all we did was come back to our entry. Look at that. We just tapped our entry and that's it. Wow, how beautiful that would have been. But I don't have the balls to hold those trades, so it is what it is. I'm telling you, we need to take some type of liquidity before, if we do decide to go up. But FOMC is a 2-stage event. This is the 2nd stage event. Now we're going to go down. Take shorts there. 100 points. No way. We're in the 50 to the 10 macro, so this is our reversal macro. That's why I was looking for shorts right here, but we didn't get anything. Good thing I didn't exit the puts either. I'm only down 42% now. All right, we did just take this liquidity, so possibility of something happening there. I like that 15-minute candle. I do like that 15-minute massive wick to the downside. Yeah. Get a data lows. Maybe if we could retest these in fair value gaps. But right now it'd be chasing for me to go short. I want to short over here. If this right here, this 254 candle, had inverse this 1 minute SIBI cleanly, I would have took shorts there 100%. But I told you, it was just testing that bearish breaker. I'm giving signals now, guys. You see that? My trade would have freaking printed. Damn. Alright, I think we missed the trade, so we probably should get off now. Yeah, the data lows are about to get taken anyway. This other trade that I took, we took longs on ES actually. Right here, we got our inverse after sweeping this liquidity. At the closure of that, we had a push up, and then on this next candle, I added. On that add, I took a partial at the highs here, and then I left that last high for the equal highs that were up there, and that printed pretty good. Yeah, so we have no entries, unfortunately. Yeah, my shorts would have been printing. We left equal lows, so we're 100% going to take these data lows. I would love to see a push up in here, though. Love to see a push up into these imbalances, and then we could possibly look for shorts. See how we reject this 15-second. Maybe if we inverse this 15-second, I could take shorts. It's a little bit, I don't know. I might take shorts right here if we inverse this 15-second. Stop right above the 15 seconds, 30 points. It might be chasing. I might be chasing. I should wait for these other 1 minutes to get in, tapped into, I think. But it also might run. I want to take my full size of 5, but my stops are going to have to be tight. I mean, if we inverse this, our first TP would be the data lows, 30 points. It would only be a 1-to-1. It really wouldn't be worth it. I want to see us to come up, and we still haven't touched any of these imbalances, so I'm not going to take anything until we touched at least the 1 minute. I would actually like to see this 5-minute close before taking the data lows. The next 5 minute come up and rebalance this 5 minute, and then have a blast off down to previous day lows. That's what I would like to see. Okay, we did inverse that, so we might not come back up. If we don't, that's fine. I'm not going to chase. Like I'm saying, still on the 1 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, we have these imbalances. I didn't want to take it. Bare minimum, I wanted to come up here. So that would have been TP1. It's a SMT. ES still hasn't taken it. ES still has not taken the data lows. There we go. Now it has. Okay. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else we could take. We'd be chasing. I guess taking it off that 15-second would have been the best bet because of how bearish we were. This little 15-second inverse. We would have had to take it at the close here. We would have had a 36-point stop. 80-point TP. I mean, it would have worked. I'm not going to short at the bottom of the range. To me, that doesn't make any sense. We do have this low. I want us to come back up, though. I don't want to just fly down there. I would like to come back up and get some type of retracement. But if it doesn't, it is what it is. I don't need to take anything else. To tap into that order block. Risk to reward here is not worth it for me. Because even if it is going to hit it, right? If it retraces here, that's 95 points. I'm taking my full size. That's $950 that I'm risking. It's not worth it for me. No, you're good. You're good. Do your thing. I agree with you. I do still think that it's going to come down and take it. The previous day lows, but I would like to see a retracement, at least into here, into this. At least into this BISI. Then we got a 50-point stop to a 103-point. So I wonder if we're gonna. I would like this previous day low to be left until this 5-minute closes, then to get the next 5 minutes to tap into this imbalance before pushing down. So my original bias was correct. We just didn't get good fills. I mean, not good fills, but good price action. We are tapping into there. I want to see how we react here. To me, it's a bit... I really want to take it. I'm like being impulsive. I do want to take it. It's too late now, I think. It's not pushing down fast enough for me. I don't know. No, we're not gonna take this short yet. I want to see this 5-minute close. I don't know. Doesn't seem worth it to me. Doesn't seem worth it. We're at the bottom of the range. Genuinely, it's not worth it for me. I don't want to risk my hard-earned money for something that's not a really good risk. So if we come up to 50%, that'd be a different story. Our macro's over anyway. 309. Like I said, my rule is 3 minutes before the macro ends, I don't take it. So 320 to 340 would be the last macro, and then I'm getting off. I got things to do. I mean, we're up in the day, right? This would have hit my TP 191 points, a 4R, had I left it, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm not going to take anything until 320. 320 to 340 macros, even if this comes up to where I want it, if it's not 320, I'm not going to take it. So look how perfectly the macros work, right? 50 to 10 is a retracement or a reversal macro, and 20 to 40 is a continuation macro. At 250, we get our push up and then our reversal to completely go down. Now 320, what I want to see is this climb up by 320 over here, get some type of consolidation with a fair value gap, and then inverse that fair value gap, and then we could take shorts targeting these lows. But if that doesn't happen, I'm not taking anything. We're at the very lows. Like, I'm not going to be impulsive here. It doesn't make sense. Like I said, I want to push up. I don't want it to go down yet. We went 41 points past the data low, so I definitely am expecting a continuation short. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even check my puts. Oh, they're back down. See, so that would have been good. Had it been my time period, that wouldn't have been a bad trade right there. Short right there. Tapped into that 5 minute, like I was saying. A little bit of an SMT here. ES took these highs and Q did not. The equal highs though, so they are likely to get ran. We have 2 equal highs. I'd like to see those run. Also, in 2 minutes, we'll have this 15-minute close. Then our next 15-minute can actually push up and push up, immediately rebalance, and continue down. That would be nice too. Yeah, I want to see. Yeah, like I said, that needs to get ran. This high needs to get taken. We don't want to close inside this 15-minute though, because then that's just going to give us a... Wow. I don't want to see that get inversed. We are at 50%, but we have 7 minutes left of the macro. Like I said, if we're going to go up, we needed to take that liquidity. We took that sell side liquidity. If we're going to leave these lows here and the previous day and that other day, we're going to be at a market maker sell model pretty soon. This could be the original consolidation. Original consolidation, we could come up, take all-time highs, and then come down, leaving all of this liquidity for another time to get ran. Because that would be really clean liquidity right there to be ran. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. I don't want it to close inside that 15-minute BISI. If it does, our idea shorts are out the window. Yeah, so those equal highs are taken. If this 10-second candle right here doesn't like displace down or like doji out, leaving this 15-minute as a BISI. Okay, so it did close below it, which is a good sign. It's not my macro, but if we do inverse this, this could be the shorts that I was looking for. So we got 5 more minutes. With this 15-minute, I don't know if I would even want to take a... There's no setup yet. There's no setup yet. No, nothing yet. I have 5 minutes before I could even consider a trade. So I like this. I want to see a 1 minute low made. Then next 2 minutes come up, sweep this high. After sweeping that high, I want that high swept with a BISI, a fair value gap. And then the next candle, or the candle after that, inverse that. And then that could be our shorts. Yeah, I mean, high that they could also be in. Right, we might not go anywhere. Look at the daily candle. High and low is also already in. We're literally in the middle of their daily candle. Massive consolidation. Longs would make the most sense here for these highs, but I don't know. Okay, so we got our low. 17, so we got 3 minutes left. I want to see maybe one candle close above here, then, or like right around at this 50% mark. One candle displace up a little bit, creating a fair value gap. Then a doji, then the displacement down, inversing that, which would also create our bearish breaker once we close below this low. And then we could have some shorts. But that's only if shorts are valid here. We still haven't flipped the market structure, so on the 5 minute we're still short, or on the 15 minute we're just consolidating. Yeah, so we got 2 minutes now. So this candle and next candle, I'd like to see a little bit of a displacement taking this high, coming into this SIBI, tapping this low, into this order block, and then inverse that down. But we might not get that. We might just get our inverse. He might talk until tomorrow, bro. That is good that we're leaving this swing low right here. I still want to see this high get taken right here. Like to see this high get taken. Left this, leave this, swing low. Come back up. Come back up. Take this high with a BISI. One doji candle or one weak candle. And then a big inverse candle. And that'll make me content with shorts. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It's on my other screen. So I'm comparing them because I want the same thing to happen on both of them. If the same thing doesn't happen on both of them, then I'm less confident in it. Well, we also created this 5 minute BISI right here that we could get inversed. And if this gets inversed, that'd be nice. That'd be even more confidence. I gotta pee like a horse. Like a horse, I tell ya. Yeah, this next 1 minute candle, I would love to see like a little bit of a displacement up around here. Even OTE. I don't want to see a full breakdown. I do want this high to get taken. You finished talking? Alright, so we're going to get our move now, huh? So we might just get our inverse here. Oh yeah. I might take a small short. I think it's running. It's too far away. It's too far for me to take a short. If it came back a little bit, I would have took a short, but yeah. Also, ES is in this 1 minute BISI right here. It has an inverse stat, so that's not making me very comfortable. Unless ES inverses this, like it's about to, I'm not going to be confident in shorts yet. And we're too far down now to short. Well, there it goes. Can we come back in here? Let's see what's happening. Yeah, you see how ES is refusing? This BISI right here? That's not making me comfortable with shorts. I'm not confident in shorts. Raymond, what's up? Yeah, I do want to take shorts. I'm just not comfortable with the way ES is. This is exactly where I said I wanted it to come into. 52 points. Alright, let's crack it. We're going to take shorts here. Alright, I just took shorts. My stops are going to be above the highs. Ooh, that's a big stop. I think I over leveraged. I better hope it runs in my direction. May have over leveraged here a bit. I definitely think I over leveraged here a bit. Now is the decision: do I stay in it or do I get out? That's not where I wanted that. That's where I wanted that. Is that 1-to-1? That's not even worth it, is it? Yeah, I think oh. Okay, ES did inverse that, so we should at least see previous day lows. I hope. Oh no. We got 1 minute left on this 50-second. Maybe take one off here just in case. Reduce our risk a little bit. We did just inverse that. I'm gonna get out. All right, let's just wait it out. Oh man, I don't like this trade at all. I've reduced risk a little bit with this one, but what are we at now? So we gave up half of the profit from that one. Still have this 1 minute. I might get out completely. I might just get out at break even for the day now, a small loss. I don't know. I'm not comfortable with this trade now. We got this 15 seconds still. Let's see how it reacts, I guess. Very likely we get stopped here. Get stopped, we'll take a what, $140 loss for the day. Not end all be all, but definitely not good. Yeah, ES held that 4 minute. Yeah, this is gonna fail. We could just hold it and see and pray. But it's likely going to fail. This is just a bad trade. Yeah. That's what I was saying the whole time. I wanted this high to get taken before I took shorts. But then I saw it push down and inverse this 1 minute. Stop loss, just click the position and just drag it. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped here. I do want to exit this position, but I also, yeah. All right, so we got stopped. All good. Should have been done earlier, like I said, but it is what it is, right? This 5 minute held. Just hit OTE. This is actually exactly what I wanted. If we do inverse this 1 minute, then I'll do one last crack at shorts. But then I'm gonna be done. Because now we're down. I probably shouldn't even continue trade. I'm down 150. Like, just take that loss and be done. Yeah, just click and drag the entry. So this is what I wanted. If we inverse this 1 minute, then that'll be a different story. Then we could look for shorts, but I don't think it's going to. This was our perfect trade. Probably should have held it open. Should have been more confident that, FOMC is a two-stage event. Now it's like it's not looking really pretty. We didn't take really any liquidity, so I don't see why we're reversing here. Why didn't we reverse here? It don't make any sense, man. Yeah, this is just not my type of price action. Now I have to think, is it worth even considering another trade? What am I trying to do? All I'm trying to do is make my money back? Is that worth it? Is that really worth it? Right now, our losses aren't super significant. If we take another trade, we could possibly make them more significant. Yeah, full port. Alright, I'm full port in shorts here. Probably longs for that data highs. I think longs would be a better idea. I just don't see a setup. Yeah, this inverse right here. Okay, longs would be the best idea here. Let's see how we react off this 5 minute though. We swept the lows here. 50 to the 10, we had our reversal. Inverse all of this. Came back in, failed. Look how nice these lows look. Like, we're stacking lows. You know what I mean? Stacking these lows, previous day lows, these 1 hour lows from Monday. Full port, full port. I think longs would have been the move, actually, right off of here. But I don't care what the move is. Is my setup there? If my setup's not there, I'm not taking it. It's that simple. I don't care what the move is. Is my screen clear? Like, are you guys seeing all this clear? Because anytime I like try to use these videos, they don't seem very clear, and I don't know what to do to make it clear. I think because I have an ultra wide monitor, I have to downscale it, and I don't think it records it super clear. Bearish order block, maybe. It's not super clear. Yeah, I don't know how to make it clear. Bro, I have the most fire internet ever. Yeah, I think it's because I have to downscale it, right? Because my base resolution is a lot bigger. This is just back and forth craziness. What other news do we have this week? We have unemployment tomorrow. That's really the only thing that we have. So why would we leave these lows? Are we going to leave these lows for unemployment? There's no way we leave these lows for unemployment. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no way that we leave those lows for unemployment. We have our bearish breaker here if this 5-minute closes below. We have a 5-minute bearish breaker, high, low, higher, high. But we need this 5-minute to close down here, which it doesn't look like it's going to. We have 30 seconds, let's see. Minute did not close there. ES did create this breaker. High, low, higher, high. Bearish breaker right there. But it is in the 5-minute BISI is the only problem. Yeah, it's not. This is where the real traders are made. It's not pressing a button when things aren't clear. You know? So it's like we kind of have this SMT now with like a breaker because high, low, higher, high, right? And ES closed pretty nicely below that. Ooh, ooh, I want shorts on ES. Fuck, hurry up. I think I want shorts on ES. $25 points. $1,000 risk. I need MES. Okay, I'm not gonna take shorts. I'm tripping. Yeah, 2-minute fail to inverse also. I do want these shorts on ES though. Very close to pressing the button. Very close to pressing the button. We got our breaker. Oh, this is killing me. I feel like I shouldn't take a trade because of how I'm feeling. Let's see if this 2-minute inverses. This 2-minute did inverse. 3-minute still has not inversed, so we have 1 more minute left on the 3-minute. I'd only take a short if this 3-minute inverse. This last 1-minute candle needs to close below this. Otherwise, I'm staying off. I was really close to pressing the button on ES, and I'm really thankful that I did not. Yeah, power hour. Or is this power hour? Last 30 minutes, right? 3:30. Go get sleep, man. The market would always be here. 15 minutes, not nice. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. This 5-minute closes here, and we inverse this 3-minute. Oh, looks like we can't inverse that 3-minute. Yeah, there's my shorts. $15. Let's see if we get this 5-minute breaker close. Kind of refusing to close it with this breaker is a big problem. Yeah, it's weak. Save that for my journal. We did create that breaker. Why does it keep doing that? 5-minute is being held though, so is that a good short inside of a 5-minute? I don't think so. waiting for? I'm so like confused here. Oh, okay, it's outside my macro. I'm not gonna take anything. That was close. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be done. All right, man. Have a good night. Get some rest. Don't do anything crazy. And I think I'm gonna be done. It's gonna be better to not break my rules. I think. Unless we do 350 to 10 macro. But every time I do that, I end up losing. Yeah, I'm gonna follow my rules. I'm not gonna keep chasing. I'm not gonna keep trading. I don't think it's a good idea. This price action is very ugly. We do have our breaker, but 3-minute did inverse here. We have a 5-minute holding. 5-minute holding. Can we inverse this 5-minute? There's only two outcomes that are going to occur if I continue to trade. One, I catch a good trade, make some money, break my rules, start building bad habits. Two, I lose more. I'm down 150 bucks today. $157. That's nothing. Why risk more on this messy price action? So it's not really worth it, is it? I don't think it's worth it. Whether it runs or not, which looks like it's going to, I want to really bad, but I'm not going to. The market will be here tomorrow. I'd rather build the better habits than chase the price, because those better habits will pay me tremendously more than a small little win I could take today. You see us back and forth. There's nothing here that's worth it. Yeah, and save the mental capital. I got other things to do. So, yeah, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and lock this account. Can't trade anymore. We're done. And I'm going to be done. I'm going to be done. Thank you for joining. Yeah, absolutely. Mental capital and just following the rules. You know what I mean? If you're not following the rules, why does it matter? There's a million trades that you could take, but if you can't repeat them over and over and over, why take them? All right. The only trades that you can take that you can continue repeating are your setups and things that you practice. But if you're just impulsing, how is that ever repeatable? It's never going to be repeatable, impulsing trades. Whether you win or lose, that's luck, and it's not repeatable. So live to trade another day. Amen. Amen. All right, then. Yeah, I'm going to get off, do whatever I got to do, and thanks for coming. I'll see you guys. I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow or not. Tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, we'll see. Possibly. We'll see. Likely. But, all right. Have a great rest of your day. Safe trading. Be safe out there. Looks like we are going to inverse that 5-minute. We'll paper trade it. Let's do that. We'll paper trade it, right? Fix my urges. Let's see if it would have worked. This is what I'm saying. Our stop loss would have had to been ridiculously high. So we'll paper trade, see if it works, see how far we could go down. Satisfy the urges with a paper, take trade, and see what happens there. You see? Look at that. This is inverse now. We took this low. We left that low. What's you guys doing? We got a bullish SMT. Right, so we might not even run for that low. We got a bullish SMT now. We're going to go up. Immediate rebalance right there. Immediate rebalance. We'll add one and just let it run. Let's see what happens. Put our stop. Yeah, it stops right above that high. It's not clean. It's not clean price action. Satisfy my urges with fake paper trades just to show me. Look at this. Look how much. Look, I would have got hurt right here. Okay, one thing. Immediate rebalance on the 5 minute. We got another immediate rebalance right there. If we close below that low, I'll add even another one. We'll add one more. Let's go. Full port, baby. Full port. Aping into it. And see if it works. But we got to trail our stop like it would be a real stop. So this is now like a 1-to-1. Take partials here. Take majority of it off here. And have one right there. Let's see if it runs there. SMT is fixed. No, it's not fixed. But we're super close. I think we are going to fix it. We should get some movement down here pretty quickly. Should be a sharp move. I don't think, unless we're literally generating liquidity for tomorrow. That's the only way I think that we're going to leave that low. Okay, my puts are down only 43% now. So if we could get a nice push down, which we probably won't. That's a 15-second. Watching a 15-second. What do you want to show me? I got a minute. I don't got too much time though. I have to get some study and stuff done. These are equal lows, right? So these are like 99% of a chance going to get taken, right here. Let's ape another one. And we take off 3 here. If it runs for that, it's going to take this. Boom. Equal lows taken. Let's get this buy limit in. Previous day lows. There's no way you're going to leave it now. All right, we got 3 out. Move this to break even. Let's see if we take that 1 hour low. Stops at break even at this point, so it doesn't really matter. We got 3 off here. So we realized, where is it? Okay, 2300. Rejecting that, I think we'll take that 1 hour low and then be done. So SMT is gone now. We don't have no SMTs. Equal lows are, oh, that's NQ actually. I do think we run for these lows. I don't see why not. Why is this not working? Oh, it's another 50 points, so possibly not. And we did kind of react as soon as we took these lows. Stop is at break even, so it doesn't really matter anymore. All right, what do you got? So this would have worked, right? It wasn't a good trade at all, but it would have worked. And stop at break even here. Let's see this order block. Let's just do like 50% of that order block and see how we react off that. Debating on these SPY puts, if I should keep them open or not. SPY is pushing down a little bit. Okay, so stop that right there. Oh wow, look to the tick. 50% of that order block. Respected. I don't think it's going to get respected, but that's just funny. Oh, a little bit over 50%. So yeah, disrespected. I got a notepad. What you got for me? I'm going to get off here in a minute. Yeah, you look at this daily candle. Okay, now it's kind of closing lower. Yesterday's close in 1600. Takes like 4 p.m. or 4:15. 19.6, 687.50. Look how ES is respecting that new week opening gap again. Look how many times it's respected it. Yeah, so there's no way that we're going to continue down. We do have that low, but I think this is the same low that NQ that I'm thinking is going to go for. But it could possibly leave this low for tomorrow. I think, we did get stopped here? No, we still didn't get stopped. Okay, I got closing yesterday, 19,687.50. Yeah, that was yesterday's close. 4 p.m. Oh, it was actually yesterday. Yesterday was a different one. 684.50. No, that's 6 p.m. I'm tripping. Yeah, 19,687.50. Right here. I just moved it so I could see the chart. Oh, we got stopped out here. Okay. And that's that, folks. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go down much further. I would love to see like a massive displacement. Take these lows, get my puts to print. So, you know, that trade would have worked on paper. It's 5 p.m. There's no 5 p.m. Market closes at 4 or something. The market closes at 4:59. Opens up at 6 p.m. So there's no 5 p.m. 4:59 closure though is 686.25. 680. Alright, you got the VXN. Remember, I got the delay though. So we're gonna go to Tuesday closing? Yeah, 19,686.25. It's right here. Right here on the right side. Alright, we're getting some push downs. We're 44% down on our SPY. Puts. Write down everything that you wanna say for this so we can do it quicker. I gotta go. I gotta pee and I gotta take care of some things. Please. Please and thank you. I was trading the scan, bro. So, are we looking at Tuesday's close? Because it closed at 4:13 apparently. Unless I have the wrong VXN open. No. Okay, so what am I doing? Where am I going next? This is yesterday's close on VXN. It closed at 4:13 though. Why is it closed at such a weird time? 22.69. Aru, I thought you're sleeping, man. What happened? Alright, so we got the closure right here, 22.69. Yep. Alright, what's next? Alright, SPY. Freaking crash, will ya? Just crash, man. Crash down to here, and I'll be happy. 59. Get me to break even, well, yeah. Yeah, I have them. There we go. Come on, SPY. Keep crashing. What puts do I have? 55 puts. Can you crash all the way to 55? That'd be fire. Where's 55? Yeah, come down to 55, SPY, will ya? I'll choose my calculator. Or do I need like fancy schmancy stuff? Okay. Oh no, I can't even close my options, can I? If an option expires tomorrow, it expires tomorrow end of day, right? Not like right this moment? Not like tomorrow open? Okay, good. I don't use Google. But anyway, okay, what do you got for me? Oh, good job, Bogdan. You avoided, even if it was a win, you followed your rules. You did not take a trade, you did not chase. I'm very proud of you. Good job, man. You're light years ahead of where you were just like 4 months ago. So, good job. All right, let's do this. What do we got? I'm gonna divide 19686.25 divided by 22.69. We got 867. Divide that by 51, 15. That's where SPY is going. Are you Googling this or something? What's taking you so long to tell me what to do? I gotta pee, man. I gotta go. All right. You want to save this for tomorrow? Because I gotta go. All right, we're only down 157 bucks today. That's not bad. We were up, then we were down. I don't even remember actually what trade we took to be down. Let me sync this. What trade? Where did we get stopped? Did we take some here? How come I didn't even put it on the chart? Yeah, bad shorts here. Okay. 321. 321. Entry price was 45. 45 flat. Profit was 572.75. And stop was 1977.25. Alright, so that's what we're looking at. What? Were we actually? That was such a terrible. Why did I take that trade? That's freaking disgusting. He's a Fed. You're a Fed, bro. Let's see. Alright, how do I take this? Do 19686.25 times 0.2269. What? Times square root of... Okay, so I need to save this then. Right? Then I do what? Square root of 1 divided by... How do I do that? I don't know how to do that, bro. 1 divided by... I haven't been to school in a long time. How do I do square root? Square root. What? Oh, wait a minute. I get what you're saying. Square root of 1 divided by 252. Now we times that by this nut. What? Why isn't it working? 4.466.8101. Is this going to be like the algorithm code to life and something's going to happen? 281. What do I do with that information? There's no way. Is this a code that you just gave me that like hacking my computer and you're just robbing me blind right at this moment? I guess I'm gonna hold this stupid freaking short and pray tomorrow opens up lower. Could, right? We have this 1 hour, maybe rebalance. Anyway, I'm getting off. I gotta pee like a horse. I don't. So you expect it to move 282 points for the day? Is that what it is? Tomorrow? 6, 7, 8. Only here? I think we could move way more than that. do me a favor. You predict the movement for tomorrow, and type it in here, or type it tomorrow if you come back, and we'll see if it works. I gotta go. My bladder's about to explode. Are we gonna stream tomorrow? Should we stream tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. We have unemployment. Tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday we have unemployment at 8:30. Yeah, we could stream, but I'm not gonna stream like super early anymore. I'm gonna start getting on at 9:15, 9:10. Probably 9 to 9:15. I'll get on. Try to catch the 9:20, 9:30 macro and get off by 11:45. Oh no, I gotta get off early tomorrow, so I'll get off at like 10:50 to 11:10 macro will be my last one. Then I gotta go. But all right, I'll see you guys mañana.